I've been using this little heater for a few weeks now, and I am very pleased with its performance. You have several really cool features. The high or the low for the fan. You can set your temperature to whatever you would like. You also have a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. If you don't choose any of those, then it stays on continuously until you are ready to shut it off. The oscillating feature is very nice because it helps disperse the air throughout the room. The housing stays cool everywhere, including the bottom, to the touch, all the way around. The heat comes out right here, and other than that, it stays totally cool to the touch. You've got your maximum setting. You have all these different temperature settings, your timer, and your oscillating setting. And it just works beautifully. Very impressed with this one.
Works perfectly.
This is not a stick that you want to pick up, son.
You know what it is?
It should never be found. Whoever possesses it holds the key to conjuring immense evil power.
Now Jackson wants it.
It's absolutely beautiful. I like how it oscillates. The temperature goes from 60 to max. But it heats up pretty quick, and when it gets hot, it cuts off automatically. So it's pretty good, and it's a space saver as well as electricity saver. I wish it would have come with the remote control, but everything is good. We'll be buying 2 more.
Hey, I'm just out here in my little bubble, about to log off. I got one of them damn plastic bubbles so I can sit outside with my little heater. I'm sitting out here smoking a little cigar. Got me some sticks. Got my little furry carpet. Shit, I be chilling. I ain't worried about a damn thing. Keeps running.
Does not shut off. In my case, my pets knock it over, burn the house down.